Back in 2022, whenever I joined DRS RADA USA, we met up with Ultimate Lean and Maria Elena Stouffer. She got us introduced to the AME conference. We took a team down there. That's where we met the group from Stream Innovations. And at the time, we weren't really doing much at all with Lean. So part of what we did was incorporate and introduce a Lean program. We did some simulation. And when we met with the Stream Innovations team, they actually came on site and helped us with our transformation from what was really an operation that had no Lean in it to where we were really able to do some very powerful things in our Lean program.
We started here about a year ago and we did some initial training, and then we moved from training, and the team here has taken that training and really employed it across the entire factory.
My role is, in a broad sense, to solve problems. I help the floor introduce new products, I improve the process and procedures that we have, I introduce new tools to our production team. My biggest challenge was I had a pre-designed extruded aluminum workbenches that worked well for one particular model of radar that we built. I was starting to build new versions of radars, so I needed more flexibility, being able to not have to worry about cutting, and the fact that it's square rather than round, in my mind, gave a lot more flexibility to the product.
This is my war wagon. This cart is a cart that I designed to help me do my job better. It's mobile, just an awesome product. You can make anything with it and make your job and your life so much easier. And the only limitation you have is basically your imagination when it comes to using the Stream material.
The Stream Innovations team came on site and helped us really introduce our team to the products, the flexibility that the products have, and the fact that they were able to actually do the work and take the ownership of the design of their various workstations has been tremendously powerful, because once we got the ball rolling, the team has taken ownership of it, and it's been a force multiplier in terms of our improvements.
The pre-cut lengths of Stream material have really eased the amount of improvements that we can make to our existing designs. We don't have to measure twice and cut once, as it's already cut. It's really provided a lot of flexibility using their pre-cut material. And because of the tools and training tips that they were able to provide, it allowed us to improve the workbenches that we had designed with Stream.
They've made a ton of improvement. We've seen a lot of progress over the last year, but there's also a lot of future progress that can be made.